Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn on black and white screen on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings. Now you want to scroll down and click on accessibility. Okay. Now click on display and text size. You want to scroll down until you see the color filters. So just go ahead and click on it. And now, as you can see at the right side of color filters, there's a switch, right? So just go ahead and toggle that switch on. And now when you go back on your home screen, as you can see, your screen is now on black and white. Okay? And that is how you turn on black and white screen on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.